Hello YouTube. Now I know this is an unconventional use of my channel, and yesterday I put out a video requesting some help over some CNC woodworking software problems I'm experiencing, but I have created well over 600 videos for you to watch freely. So I've got another request today, and I won't make a habit of this, I promise. But my request is for feedback from maybe 2 or 3 woodworkers, ideally woodworking beginners, who would be prepared to take a look at the new hardback book that I'm working on called Design and Make in Wood. Now this is an integrated book integrating designing and making and using power tools and hand tools right from the start. And it's quite a radical approach and not really aimed at seasoned woodworkers who probably learned woodwork through an instructional traditional approach. I mean, why use tradition as default mode when we live in a different world today and we are undergoing a revolution? So, just an example, these first few introductory pages have taken up nearly a week of work to get over the right information in the right order and the level of information that doesn't frustrate the reader too much, by having to learn everything at once. Now this is much the same way as the difficulties I've experienced with CNC woodworking. Getting my head around the software is just unbelievably complicated with so many different softwares that are hugely involved. So in a way, what I'm trying to do is create a book, a guide based on a successful course I ran for many years called Design and Make in Wood, and to present it in a really easy way so that you can come in at any level and make your choices about what materials you use, what tools you use, how you hold the work, what the design is, what the function of the design is, what it will look like. I mean, it is so exciting. I'm amazed it hasn't been done before, but I do believe my book will be unique. Interestingly, Elon Musk said, the normal way we conduct our lives is we reason by analogy. We are doing this because it's like something else that was done, or it's like what other people are doing. Now, with first principles, you boil things down to the most fundamental truths and then reason up from there. And that's exactly what I've been doing, probably longer than Elon Musk is old, in approaching woodworking from first principles. And language is very, very important. For instance, I use the word connections rather than joints. Now, looking at the way wood connects will also include some traditional joints, but if you look at it just as joints, then you think immediately of mortise and tenon, dovetail, blah, blah, blah. So my request, I'll try and keep this short, is for maybe 2 or 3 woodworkers, maybe subscribers to my channel who know who I am, ideally who are beginners, but the book is actually aimed at all levels. But to get in touch with me by email and then give me feedback on the way I'm structuring this book. All right, many thanks for watching.